Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a business plan. A business plan is a written document that outlines the goals and strategies of a business. It's an essential tool for entrepreneurs who are starting a new business or trying to grow an existing one. Step 1. Define your business. The first step in creating a business plan is to define your business. This includes identifying your target market, your products or services, and your unique selling proposition. Ask yourself, what problem are you solving, and how are you doing it differently than your competitors? Make sure to include this information in the beginning of your business plan. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've defined your business, you'll need to conduct market research. This means gathering information about your industry, your target market, and your competitors. Look for data on market size, growth trends, and consumer behavior. This information will help you make informed decisions about your business strategies. Step 3. Develop a marketing plan. A marketing plan is a key part of your business plan. It outlines how you'll reach and attract customers. Your marketing plan should include details about your brand, your target audience, your pricing strategy, and your promotional tactics. Make sure to also include information about your sales process and distribution channels. Step 4. Create a financial plan. A financial plan is another important part of your business plan. It details your projected revenue, expenses, and profits. You'll need to estimate your startup costs, monthly expenses, and revenue projections for at least the first 3 years of your business. This section should also include a cash flow statement and a break-even analysis. Step 5. Review and refine. Once you've completed your business plan, take the time to review it and refine it as needed. Share it with trusted advisors, mentors, or peers and ask for feedback. Make sure your plan is concise, clear, and easy to understand. Keep in mind that your business plan is a living document that you'll update as your business evolves. And there you have it, a simple guide to creating a business plan. Remember, a solid business plan is essential for the success of any business, so take the time to create a plan that works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on entrepreneurship and business.